on my feet, keep my cipher complete like.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy OVOsounds.eth, and before we get into this video, if you could drop a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification, I'd really appreciate that. Before we get into Metamask, there's two things you need to understand: the difference between a crypto broker and a crypto wallet. Robinhood, which is a crypto broker, you can purchase cryptocurrency and altcoins, but you cannot send crypto to other accounts or wallets, and you cannot engage in DeFi and other decentralized protocols. That's just at the moment. Robinhood does plan to open up a wallet, but at the moment you cannot do any of those things. Coinbase, on the other hand, does have a wallet, and you can purchase cryptocurrency and altcoins. You can send and receive crypto to other wallets, and you can engage in DeFi and other decentralized protocols. And all this means is you can engage in something like Pancake Swap, Sushi Swap, and etc. But the only thing with this is only you have access to your private keys, and there's another slide going into greater depth about private keys. So Metamask, all that is a hot wallet, and with that you're connected to the internet, but you are vulnerable to attacks and hacks, which can result in all your funds being stolen and that wallet being exposed forever. For example, you interact with the Web3 application, say you're going to mint, and you interact with a faulty website, they drain all your funds, and now that wallet is exposed forever. So anytime you do try to re-upload funds to that, which I don't advise doing if you do know your account has got hacked, but if you do reallocate funds into that account, they're just going to keep on getting drained. As opposed to a cold wallet, and one example of that is the Ledger, they're not connected to the internet. They're more secure and less likely to get hacked, but they are less convenient because you do have to connect to the internet when you do want to use those funds and get them from the wallet to an exchange or a DEX. But one thing that both do have in common is that they are always connected to the blockchain. There's really no way to disconnect from the blockchain because that's just not possible. It's all one ledger, so both are always going to be connected to the blockchain. The key difference is one is connected to the internet at all times and one isn't. Both wallets have public keys and private keys. In a public key, anyone can deposit or receive crypto. It's obviously public for everyone to see and does not have authorization to withdraw funds. So for example, a public key is whenever you see someone post drop your wallet address or what's your wallet address, and you see the OXFB or something like that. Or another example of a public key is mine, for example, is OVOsounds.eth. That's a public key. You can send me cryptocurrency there, as opposed to a private key, which only you have access to and represents final control and authorization of assets. And if they are lost, there is no way to recover these funds and the wallets. So if you lose your seed phrase, your recovery phase, you will never ever be able to receive those funds. Or if you have, say, 10 wallets opened up on your Metamask and you lose your seed phrase, you lost everything in those wallets. And say you have accumulated through those 10 wallets 100 grand, you lost all those, and that's not even to mention all the NFTs and say nodes you have running off those wallets are all gone as well. So with that being said, never share with anyone your private key, because that basically is your wealth and your future, and if you share that with anyone, you're basically just giving away your future. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned a lot about Metamask. If you want to learn how to set up Metamask, just comment down below and I can help you with that. And if you do have any other questions, please feel free to comment down below. I don't know if anyone noticed this, but down in the description we have something called the Info Center, and that's just where I'm going to upload tips, tools, articles, and places that you can find information on crypto, NFTs, and Web3. So if you're a beginner, that's a great place to start to find like podcasts and stuff to listen to if you like to listen to stuff. Or if you're more of a visual learner and you like to read, you can also look up great articles. And I'm going to start switching it up, so some of the links aren't always going to be the same from week to week, and I'm going to be changing up the YouTubers that are on there or the different articles depending on what's going on in crypto. So I hope that helps you a lot, and let me know what you guys think about that.
Nike's on my feet, keep